Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 2, Lesotho 0. I'm joined by Pegasport.
Steve,
Yeah.
unalitsebe. Wakwa. Ultimate. What are you today?
Mohal.
And then Chief sits on a guy. Steve. Go halim me last. Retire today.
Yeah.
Retlim Bushuma Mutaganel. Beluga Chiefs, Steve.
Aski, Sitama.
Tata King.
Aski, Sitama.
Go let's go. Sorry, the last one. I want a problem, Steve. The Chiefs. I want a problem, Steve.
Camarada Wawa.
Awa, go sorry, Steve. Today, what I look at South African national team. Who are the Chiefs, Steve? But no problem, Steve. Let's continue.
One exposer.
No, I go expose Steve.
What's on?
Good will again take me more, Steve. Who are the Chiefs? Who are the Boranga? Who are the rings, Steve? Who are the trail, Steve? But anyway, it's okay. No. Go sorry, Steve. Le non fare le soirée, Steve. On attend. Steve. National team today. Who are the Chiefs? People are confused. On a problem, Steve. But it's fine, Steve. I don't want national team. Steve, I don't pillar level with the president of, the Honorable Premier Limpopo, Popira Matuba Onamo Stadium. Such a big support. Ram level. Development different teams, especially Sundowns and Pirates. It really shows the development. Yeah, because if you can have a look today, recorded great development. The young guys. So we need to praise them. Who are most South Africa development? Really. So Steve.
Assistant doesn't look so frustrated.
Steve. Get Sundowns in the Pirates.
I was Stellenbosch. Adams from Stellenbosch. Adams is Stellenbosch. One of them who will jump reach. Steve, I'm confused. I understand that because they soccer every day. We know all the players. The players that I'm talking about today. But I look at Sundowns and Pirates. Exactly.
So I know what I'm talking about.
Yes, definitely.
So now we are not talking about Stellenbosch. Understand? Remember, key development yeri level how yeri team just long one PSL come just South Africa. So now we work at players going currently. Lead team so we are not talking about Stellenbosch by the way. Steve, ke leboga kudu support ye rebile go le yona mo Limpopo e bontshitse gore bana ba Limpopo go ba di supporters tsa Limpopo tse rata soccer. So we wish gore safa e butshile game tse dingwe mo stadium gore re kgone go ba support enough.
Exactly.
Steve, this 21 today. Honestly, stadium was packed.
Full.
So re a gopela gore malaetsa o Steve o phatlalaje ba bushi the other games re to ba support.
Exactly.
Steve re bo gape ha ke rapela ne dira le mana ba di fela di ba gona morero wa thapele go rapela go gore go tswele le bona batho ba go sona ba
Esibo, a ke tshotse ke meleko. Thapelo ke tseba go e rapela. Ha ke rapela, ba mo go fela ba e ba go. Ba confused. Magezu ka se potse ka relegation. Lo ka se potse ka
relegation.
Ebile ka ba tluwa ka yona, go bua ka squad go ne bja no.
Magezi ya relegation.
Ba tluwa le ka yona.
Magezi ya relegation. Magezi ya relegation.
Ntate.
Relegation what Chiefs?
Let's come and witness. Yes. That is why one of my mashata because they are confused. They don't understand what's going on. So Stivo, Baraka, for the good job that you are doing. Really, you are bringing love to the supporters. We really appreciate that. Stivo, keep it up.
Man of the match.
Yo, Captain Emma 2000. You know that guy? Yeah. Camarade. But not him alone. Ngezani also played a pivotal role there. Not him alone. Actually, the entire team. So actually, the whole team was playing as a whole. So for us to separate or exclude some other players, it would be wrong for me. But really, all of them. Baraluki, Steve, we really appreciate the win. Please, guys, drive safe. Obey rules of the road. Yes. Please, guys, repeat.
Thank you.